How to download all photos and videos from Google Photos on one click. Welcome back everyone to this new video of how to guide. If you don't want to download your photos or videos from Google Photos individually, I'm going to show you a simple method from where you can download all of it all at once. So if this is something that you want to learn, then make sure you stick till the end. So first of all, what you want to do is open up your Google Photos, which is the application of Google Photos. Once you end up here, tap on the profile icon on the top right, and beneath your email address you'll see an option called manage your Google account, and it's going to take you to the Google account section. From here you just need to tap on the data and privacy on the top. Scroll down from here until you see a section of apps and services. So it says content saved from the Google services. So you can just tap on this option. Again scroll down, and under the Google Photos option you'll see an option called download, and you can see the exact number of videos or photos that you have stored on your Google Photos. I currently have only one picture to demonstrate, so just tap on download and make sure that this Google Photos option is checked. Tap on next step. Now there are a few places from where you can download this option. Under transfer to, by default it would be selected to send download link via email. So if you tap on this option, there are a few options that you can choose from, but the easiest option would be via email. When your photos or videos are ready, Google Photos will send you an email from where you can download it. So make sure you select it to via email and export once only. Make sure that it is a zip file, and now you can just tap on create export. Once that is done, you can see on the bottom it says your files are currently being prepared. This process can take a long time, possibly hours or days. Because I only had one photo on the Google Photos, the email has already been received on my phone. As you can see on the top, it says Google Takeout. You can just open up your email once you receive this email from Google Photos or from Google. Tap on download your files. Type in the email address of your Google account to verify yourself, and all of the photos and videos from your Google Photos will be immediately downloaded. So that was the process of downloading all photos and videos from Google Photos on one click. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily guide videos that we post. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.